Don't eat my shoe. Funny piggy noises. Oh! Can't reach you now. You've been laying in the mud. Hi. Hi. What are you doing over there? Well, I can't pet you there. Come. Well, I can't pet you if you're over there. Come here.
But you want this?
Gotta get a big one.
What about the big 18 one? How about this little piece?
You're not supposed to rip them apart. But. Whoops, I dropped it. Sorry, bud.
Mom, how about this one?
Stop. You're gonna kill Daddy's grape plant and then he won't have anything to eat. Spot. Last one.
Every time you eat, he gets bigger.
So do you. The more you eat, the more you grow. Hi.
But the more he eats, the more he gets fat.
He's not fat. He's filling out. He's not a baby anymore.
He's not a baby anymore, yeah?
Oh, getting bigger all the time.
Hey, his food bowl's over there. No, his food bowl's the one in the middle.